All right, let's hop in this Elantra hybrid. It's 2022. Not the first time we're seeing the car, but again, that beautiful parametric jewel pattern, also seen abundantly on the bonnet, the profile, the wheel, everything. Just count how many triangles you can get out of this Elantra. By the way, it's called Avante here in Korea. Without further ado, let's get in and hop in. And I love this telescopic feature. This is a must, you know. The destination for today is preset, and well, this car being a hybrid, definitely want to have it on a normal. If not, I just want to have it on the smart. On smart mode, the car will change the drive modes accordingly. If you floor the gas pedal just a little bit, it will change into the sport, and you can see that on this tachometer right here. So right now it's currently sitting at smart, but it will turn into that teal color when it's on echo, and it will turn into red when you floor it, and when it's on the sport mode. I love this interior color. Would have to double check on the name, but
in 700 meters, turn right.
all right, I'm going to shut you up just for a sec. Ow. Yep, that's a tight turn for the truck. The sunroof is wide open. And here we're merging in and need some power here, so flooring. And as I have experienced, well, this car is very well suited and equipped with the conjunction of the ICE, internal combustion engine. I have the lane assist on, LKA, lane keeping assist, which was actually turned off, and the button is right here. That one is for the VDC, and you can actually reset the battery. So it's going to be a gentle 10-kilometer drive. That's about 6 miles. I'm doing the calculation here. Yep, it is 6 miles ish. And I'm hitting on the potholes and bumpy roads here. It's not the most like cushiony car that you would find, but it's really comfortable on city roads. And the point being is, I mean, this is the POV video. You want to grasp the feeling of what the car is like driving it around. And let's actually turn on the HDA right here. I want to set it at 70 kilometers and also control the distance and just let it off. The cars that I have been seeing throughout, the indicator for the lane as well as the steering wheel is put together, so you would know immediately at a glance if the car is recognizing the lane and if the car is in control of the steering wheel and whatnot. But those two are a bit far away, so maybe would have been better if they were put together. And that nice EV lighting up, showing me that Elantra is pushing out the best MPG, and currently it's at 16.8 kilometers per liter. All right, so I just resetted the tachometer, and we'll see the MPG that I get. And red light coming up ahead. Again, this is not a autonomous drive. You would have to be cautious. You always have to be paying attention on the roads. That HDA wouldn't really come in until it recognizes the vehicle in front of you, seeing it slowing down and whatnot. So if a car in front of you is at a complete stop, you really have to get ready to stop the car on your own. There's another Elantra, say hello. And a U-turn is to be made right here. By the way, that was a brand new Tucson. And I'm actually flooring right now as if we are merging into the highway. and you know, it picks up the speed all right. Ooh, that GV80 flying. Woo. Feel free to check out Elantra N-Line review, as well as a in-depth review on a regular Elantra model. They are all nice cars. Just being a regular Elantra, it literally is the regular Elantra that you would look for. And be it N-Line, oh, that N-Line is only a step away from Elantra N. And finally, this Elantra Hybrid. Just looking at the segments and the number of different models that this Elantra has, again, regular, hybrid, N-Line, and Elantra N to come, which is not released yet, but we should be getting it this year anytime soon. So just looking at how Hyundai is getting diverse over this Elantra, the entry-level sedan of Hyundai, we know this what this car means to Hyundai, and so this car meets all the need, being a regular daily driver. But if you want a bit of a sportiness, you can go with Elantra N-Line. If you really want an all-out track car slash a daily driver, you could go with Elantra N as well. So just great choices, and great thing that Hyundai is doing for us. And if you want a full all-out EV car, we'll be seeing more of that from Ioniq, so stay tuned for that too. The beauty of Elantra Hybrid, as all the other hybrid cars have been, is this just the gentle city drives and checking out on that MPG, a number that I will never get to see on my Veloster N. Look at that, just 7 kilometers, slightly over 4 miles, and I am already getting that crazy MPG. Alright, I hope you like this short video of POV. Just wanted to give you a brief idea of what it feels like. I try to do more of these every now and then. I hope you liked the video, enjoyed the video. Go check out other reviews if you want to hear more about this Elantra, be it the design, be it the performance. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and thank you for watching and tuning in. I will see you on the next video. Bye. Alright, that's it for the ride. In case you want to know, this is what the key looks like.